Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can hide the sensitive content on Facebook. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your device. Now, tap on the menu. Next, select Settings. Here, tap on the Newsfeed under Preferences section. Next, you can find Reduce option. Tap on it. And then select Sensitive Content. Here, tap on the Reduce More. And that's it. This is how you can hide more of the sensitive content on Facebook. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.